friends, students. Welcome back once again. So this is the second video of the series, that is interview question series. So today we will be discussing about Kirchhoff's law. So how to prepare yourself for technical interviews or technical papers or examinations. We will be discussing more about that. So today's topic is Kirchhoff's law. Okay, first of all, you should know who is Kirchhoff. The full name of this scientist is Gustav Kirchhoff. Okay, he is a German scientist, I believe, which in 1824 and 1887, in between 1887, was a very famous physicist and mathematician. So he developed some electrical circuit laws. That is, we call it as Kirchhoff's laws. Okay, all right. So let's study or let's discuss more about it. So what is the principle of KVL? So Kirchhoff law, KVL, is based on the law of conservation of energy. Please remember, whenever there is when we discuss about we should start with conservation of energy, or we can call it as energy or charge, right? So both the things are involved in this. So you should know about this. It states that the total energy supplied by the power source in any closed path or loop must equal the total energy consumed by the component, like resistor or whatever components it is, within the same loop. When you travel a complete traverse a complete loop and return to your starting point, the total electrostatic potential difference must balance out to be zero. So output should be, the total balance out should be zero. That is the point you have to understand. All right. So again, in the interview question, they may ask you what is Kirchhoff law of current, KCL, and what is KVL. So KCL states that the algebraic sum of all current meeting at a node or a junction is zero, right? So again, I'm telling you, KCL is, suppose we take current, okay? So IT minus I1 plus I2, it should be zero, okay? So that is, you have to understand, okay? The second point is, when Kirchhoff voltage law we talk about, the state that algebraic sum of the all potential difference voltage drops or rises around way closed loop in network is zero. Again, zero. Okay. So KVL states that mathematically, if you want to prove it, V source is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Right? Now, V source is voltage source. And V1, V2, V3, what are there? They are different type of resistor, like loads, 3 different loads. So likewise, if explanation is asked, you have to understand or you have to tell about voltage law and the current law. All right. Okay. So what is the limitation of Kirchhoff's law? This is very important. The limitation also they may ask you in the questions. So you should be prepared like. So Kirchhoff law assumes that lumped parameters are used, the circuit component. What are the lumps parameter? It is the circuit component and physical and electrical distinct. This thing, it comes in the parameter. Okay. They fail at very high frequency. They fail at very high frequency where electromagnetic radiation and the parasitic capacitance becomes significant. And in this distributed parameter circuit, like long transmission lines. Okay. Long transmission line, there is a opposition to it. Like some losses will be there. We call it as a losses. So here, that is the point you have to understand and you have to explain. That is what are the limitation of Kirchhoff's law. Okay, so a few of the questions here, I have just kept a few of the questions which are important and you can go through it. So first is KCL is based on, answer is C, that is current, KCL, right? Current law. Okay. Second is KVL is based on, again, answer is C, that is voltage, right? KCL and KVL, what is the difference? Current and voltage, that is the only difference. Sum of current entering a node is what? How much it will be? C is the correct answer, that is equal to current leaving. Current enters, current leaving, it is equal to, that is the correct answer, equal to current leaving. Okay, right. So fourth question is Kirchhoff's law are mainly used, right? Where it is used? Circuit analysis. Because for any electrical circuit, these are the very basic laws. So that's why we should understand these points. I hope you understood few of the questions I have given you. Thanks for watching. I will come with new topic for you and we'll discuss more questions and the answers to it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.